Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tim. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, awesome day, and I thank you for stopping by my channel, and I appreciate your love and support. So thanks to my new people, and thanks to my followers who've been there for a long time. I just want to share a few little things that I found, and I know a lot of Tuesday mornings are closing, and I don't even know when this video will be up, so a lot of my videos are behind, sorry. But anyway, we're listing a couple more. I think we got 3 closing now out here. But anyway, I did pick this up. This has been my hauls from I think 2 Tuesday mornings, maybe 3. And I just been having this bag sitting for a couple days and just threw stuff in it. So I think it may be 3 of them. But this is the Little Venture wood veneers, and this just has the baby stuff. It's got little baby, sweet, some clouds and tiny. Got a couple things on clearance. Yeah, I'm glad. I wish they'd go past this 20%, but they've been stuck there for a long time. But anyway, you know, it's better than nothing. So, the prices have gone up. But I did pick up this one, and this one says, "Whatever life plants you bloom," and I just like the sentiment. It wasn't bad for $3. So, and some change. So I just went on and got it because it was 3 stamps and $3. And then this, of course, is on sale as well, and this is 5 stamps for $5, so this is $3 and $3.99, I think. So you have those stitching, and this is homemade, and that says "for you." It's upside down. Yep, for you. Anyway, so you have all that to match, and I'll show you back on that. Anyway, so those. I did get this little teeny set that's on clearance as well, and I got those because I've been making some inchies, and I thought, perfect. I love the texture of these for some inchies. And I don't know if my video will be up by the time this video is up or after, whatever, but I had made some inchies and stuff, and so, yep. So that's in case I make some more. As you notice, the dyes, they went up, but they had a ton. I went there today, one of the stores that just put it out. They had like tons of them. Actually, I was really surprised how many they had because they hadn't had that much of a mother load in a while as far as dyes, but the prices were really high. Well, compared to previous prices, and I do understand everybody's going up. But anyway, this was $6.99, but I still thought it was cute because I love, it's still a decent, you know, price. Not the best price like Tuesday morning what I had in the past, but it's still a good price. But it's 5 dyes, and I just love the different sets. I really don't have a lot of hexagon. They had a lot of other nesting dye sets, and I only got this other one, which was $7.99, and they had a lot of them that were even $12.99. But these were the only 2 I got. I got this one too because I don't have a nesting this close, this mini in size. They had a lot of other shapes, but I've already had those shapes, so I didn't want to repeat them. But this one I didn't have a nesting one like this, like kind of like a top note one. So I went on and got that one, but I hated to pay $7.99, but I did. So I got those 2 dyes, and then I got this one set again. I hate to pay $6.99, but I don't have a scripty one, alpha script like this. So I got it just to have, you know, when I don't want to fill out my machines, so I can get it quick. I do have a lot of letter fonts, but not scripted ones. So these are 0.67, so less than an inch, but no, yeah. So anyway, you know, got that. I was excited to get this paper pad because, you know, I love fashionista stuff. Yeah. I had the smaller pad, but I was glad to get the larger one. I don't think I have. Well, I'll take that back. I think I do. I just thought about it. I do have the other one. I do have this same one, but I don't care. I got it again. They did my vote. Tell you that. But no, it's cute. I like the girly girl stuff. Then I got some Jane Davenport. So these were the 2 pastels. So I was excited to get these. They had some other stuff for pencils, which I wasn't really familiar with, how to use those. And then the little small tubes for $3.49. I forgot the name of it. And I wasn't sure how to use those as well. Excuse me. But I did pick these 2 up. So I've worked with pastels before, you know, not that I'm a pro at it, but I mean, I've used these before. And so I picked these up. I should have probably got the other ones too, but anyway, I didn't. I love the color scheme on this. Beautiful. This is chilled. I just love these pretty colors. And these are more your neutral, new tones. This is birthday suit, so these I would think, you know, you can use more for skin tones and things like that. So they were $5.99, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 inside of there. So I got this stamp set, which I thought was really cute to go along with a recipe book. So Grandma's Recipe, very important, our family tradition, or a scrapbook page as well, a Mom's Recipe. And then I got this, which is her printed papers, and it's 5 printed and 5 blank. Didn't pay attention to those 5 blank, but and these are the 5. I'll pull them out right quick. Sorry about the noise. I know some people get sensitive when you open up packages. But anyway, I want to show it to you what it looks like. So my thing is, I got a light box now. Yay! That was sent to me. I can use this to trace these since I'm not an artist, but these are the 5 that you have right there, and these are nice on watercolor paper. They're ribbed, more so on the back than they are on the front. So I would definitely be tracing these to use in my journal. Cool, I thought these were just blank, but this is a nice quality paper. That linen texture. So I just wanted you to see that. And let's see. It says if your artwork becomes oversaturated with the wet media and buckles, simply allow the surface to dry and then place on the heavy books for a few days to flatten. So that's good to know. So it says the texture is different on both sides of this specialty mixed media surface, so you can explore even more creative options. Suitable for both wet and dry media. So cool. And then last but not least, I did get this cute little mama elephant for $3.99. It says, well, weather the storm together, wishing you showers of joy. I'm here, rain or shine. I just thought that was such cute sentiments. So that is what I got from TM. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And yes, it's still hot. It's freezing in my craft room / office / everything room. Anyway, take care. And I dare you to be creative. God bless. Bye-bye.